I was on a deserted island out in the Indian Ocean, and I had found some of the best reefs I had ever seen. But how did I get here, and what was this place? Keep watching to find out.
Hello everybody, welcome to another video. I'm gonna explain what we will be doing today once I get out of this area. It's a bit crazy here. This is still Stone Town on the island of Zanzibar.
I was about to go and look for somebody, a bit outside of the shipping port in the city of Stone Town.
I'm actually still here on the island of Zanzibar in the east part of Africa, outside of Tanzania. I was about to leave a couple of days ago, but I had some trouble with my flights, so I have a couple of more days here, and I was sitting inside my hotel room for a couple of days doing nothing, but I'm so excited to be filming again. And I will be going out to, I think, two islands, not four, two islands today. An island called Nakupenda and also something. So I will be meeting some people here on the other side, and then we will be heading out. So most of the boats leave from here. That was the ferry terminal that you saw earlier, but the day trips are most of them leaving from the other side, right here.
In Zanzibar, no problem, hakuna matata.
Simon.
Yeah, it's me, Simon,
a good,
from here, Zanzibar, with the William.
Yeah, a good boat captain. Yeah. He has boats.
There were some incredible beaches in the city of Stone Town, but I was excited to head out to the islands.
This is where we will be going from. This place actually in the evening is totally packed with people. We're gonna see if we can film it when we come back. Like hundreds, probably no, thousands of people will be here in the evening by the sunset. So I found Rossi here, and she has a tour company here in Zanzibar. Zanzibar Dream, right? Right, it's called Zanzibar Dream. And you can go all over, do all kinds of trips, go out snorkeling, go to spice farms, go here in Stone Town. And yeah, you can contact her if you want to do any trips here in Zanzibar.
Sure, welcome.
We got company also from Jonah and Catalina from Germany here. And they have also been in Zanzibar. And what's the first stop? Where are we going now?
We're going to Maui.
Maui, okay, yeah, perfect. We're going to the first island to do some snorkeling, hopefully. So we came up to a cruise ship here, and we're gonna let one person off. I don't know what he's gonna do, but he's gonna get on this cruise ship here. Bye bye. What's he gonna do there?
One person had been let off to catch a ride to another part of Tanzania, but we continued the adventure out to the island and had almost arrived.
So we've been going for like 20 minutes and we almost arrived here to the first stop, Nakupenda Island. It's a huge sandbank, only sand, nothing grows on the island, and it looks like it's about 200 meters long, maybe 100 meters wide. It's coming up right here.
We were just a bit outside of the west side of the island of Zanzibar, and here there are many incredible islands and reefs. We had arrived to an incredible sandbank with nothing on it besides incredible water surrounding it.
So we have arrived to the island. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon, and we have the sun over there. We're gonna start a drone also so we can see what this island looks like from above, and also maybe go swimming, and then we will be heading out to that island right there to do some snorkeling, because apparently that's one of the best reefs. Here we have some little party. Some people are partying and drinking some rum, I think, here. Party in the tent. So I walked to the edge of the island here, and we're gonna start the drone here, so we're filming away from the sun.
A A lot of times I think about that the world has some beautiful places. The colors really are spot on. But I'm always wondering what I'm doing here on this planet out in space. It's all so strange. I ran out to the end of the island and could see the incredible sun by the horizon, but the captain was on his way to tell me something. We got into the boat again to head out to the best reef around the whole island of Zanzibar.
Now we're on the way again to Maui Island to see if we can jump in and snorkel a bit. It's one of the best reefs, I think, in Zanzibar, right? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
The waves had picked up, and I thought about my favorite quote again. We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. I think it means that if we try a lot of different things, go to many new places, and experience new things, then our time is not wasted.
So we've been going for like 30 minutes now, and I can see the island here. There used to be a big hotel here, but it's not in service anymore, and now I just learned that they have a military base here, a military camp to protect the island, and I think I will be doing some snorkeling here.
I could see the island clearly at this point, and I jumped in to see some really incredible things under the surface. The visibility was so clear, so I took a deep breath and dove down to the bottom. The first thing I saw was a group of clownfish, and they almost always live inside a sea anemone, which is a living organism with hundreds of venomous tentacles, kind of like a jellyfish. The clownfish provide nutrients to the sea anemone, and it's not affected by its venomous tentacles, but other fish can be killed by it. The clownfish has thicker skin and can hide inside between the venomous tentacles for protection, but the other fish come close and then turn around again. Most corals have tentacles, and some have a mouth and a stomach, where their prey is pulled in by the tentacles and then ingested, but some also only eat plankton. It's interesting that creatures in this world, even though they don't have a brain, can still function like an organism. Many sources say that 90% of the world's reefs will be extinct by the year 2050. I came up to the surface and the sun was about to set, so we had to get going to pick up the Germans from the other island.
Okay, now I have been snorkeling here, and it's a very nice tour. Thank you very much.
You're most welcome, William. It was a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much for supporting local guys like me. And thank you everyone for watching this movie. Please, I would like to invite you to Zanzibar. It's a very beautiful place. It's amazing. You need to come here, please.
She will be the best tour guide for you.
Thank you so much for that.
Perfect.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. The anchor has been put up. Now we have to start the engine. Go. Start the engine, my friend. now we have arrived back to pick up the Germans and go back to Stone Town. We found the Germans. They have been found. So beautiful. We're all alone here on this island, the same sandbank, Nakupenda, that we were at earlier. Nobody else here except for us. And I had a beer, I had half of a beer. It's almost too dark now, but we have a full moon here. So maybe there will be a full moon party again. We're about to head back on the boat, back to Stone Town. You can see the lights over here.
Now it was really dark. We were on the boat again, almost back to the city of Stone Town.
So I'm back here in Stone Town, and if you want to go on this trip or any other trip, you can contact Rossi, the lady that I was with, and she will take you on a really nice trip. What is it?
Hakuna matata. Can you explain
It's Hakuna Matata food. So here we have hundreds of different kind of food stands. I actually haven't been here at night time before. So much different kind of seafood and bunch of food. Let's check it out, see what we have here.
There was octopus and a bunch of different kinds of fish and seafood on sticks that they would prepare for you.
I'm on my way back now, and I'm passing by this straightaway here. I've been actually doing sprints here, I think 4 times, but I haven't filmed it. I do sprints here about like 150 meters all the way back there, and the local people have been cheering for me. Whoa, 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 whoa. I should maybe film it next time, but if there is a next time. Yeah, here is where I've been sprinting. My friend Monir, he's back. Hello, my friend Monir.
Hello,
It's the best hotel here in Zanzibar, Smile Stone Town. I've been here for 2 weeks almost, I think. Now Monir is gonna show me one of the nice rooms here.
because of the wood.
Yeah, it's perfect. Monir, the manager.
Yes, we're the potential
Good.
hotel. So I'm with the Swedish sheep.
Swedish sheep, he's the Swedish sheep. I'm back here in the hotel. I've been sitting here editing some videos recently. But this is the end of the video, my friends. If you liked it, please, as always, leave it a thumbs up so we can have great success and reach 100,000 subscribers. It's been my goal the whole time, and it needs to happen. We need more videos so we can make it happen. And also post a comment to let me know what you think, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. See you next time. See you next time.
In the next video I will be flying out somewhere, so if you want to see where I end up going, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Thanks again and see you next time.